Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add your Instagram link on your Facebook account. And for this, first we go to our Instagram account because you need to know what your username is that you are using on Instagram. Then after that, go back to your Facebook account and then tap on your profile picture left. Then from here tap on edit profile and then from here scroll down. Then here we can add link, so tap on that. And then select the visible option. So for me, it's just for the video, so tap on only me. And then after that, do add social link. Then tap on platform, tap on Instagram, and then fill in here just your username. Help me out Fitz. Do ready, tap on save. And we just added an Instagram link to our Facebook account. This is how simple it is, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.